Hey guys, Sam here, and today I'm going to be talking about why I think E46 BMWs are going to go up in value. Now this video mostly pertains to the E46 M3, but it's also relevant to normal E46s too. Now I don't think 325i's are going to go up in value at all, but nicely spec'd 330 Ci's and 330i's, especially those with the ZHP package, have already started to bottom out and even gain value in some cases. I made another video that talks about the most desirable packages and options for the BMW E46. If you haven't seen that video already, I'll put a link on the video right now so you can go check it out. The first reason I think the BMW E46 is going to appreciate is because of the engine. BMW is famous for high revving, raspy, naturally aspirated inline-six engines that rev all the way out to 7,000 RPM. This is the last 3 series that they ever made that included a naturally aspirated inline-six. Ever since then, it's been V8s and turbochargers, and I think enthusiasts are going to look back on this generation as the pinnacle of the engines that BMW made. This engine also makes a great sound that no turbocharger is ever going to be able to replace. The number one most important attribute of an appreciating old sports car has to be the manual transmission, and the E46 really does it best. My car is a facelift E46, so it comes with a 6-speed, and in my opinion, the E46 is the perfect mix between modern technology and old age driving mechanics. This car has great road feel from its manual steering rack, manual transmission, an unobtrusive traction control system that really lets you get a good feel of the road, and it lets you know where the car is. It doesn't feel at all like it's floating around. It has really tight steering. The next attribute of the BMW E46 that makes it so desirable is the physical dimensions of the car. With each generation of the 3 Series, the cars get bigger and bigger, and the latest one is almost as big as an E39 M5. You can really feel the difference when you're driving the 3 Series. The E46 feels like a small, nimble sports car, and the newer ones feel like boats on wheels. The clean, subtle styling of the E46 also makes it a very attractive car to enthusiasts. You see the newer cars with their huge front splitters and aggressive styling. The E46 differs from that. It's subtle, yet sporty at the same time. People who don't know about cars would think that this is just a normal BMW, and only true BMW enthusiasts can really tell the difference. The older 3 Series generations, specifically the E36 and the E30s, have already started to climb in value, with clean examples of E30s going for well over 50 grand. But in my opinion, as the years go by, the E46 will become the most valuable 3 Series due to its perfect mix of modern technology and driving simplicity. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe.